St. Francis Hospital parking garage. You all may remember these ones, if you've been long-time viewers of my channel, as the ones that I got stuck in 4 years ago, about. A little over 4 years ago, actually. So let's hope that doesn't happen again. I hit 1 and it's not going anywhere. Oh, what? The B button's at the top. Yes, these are bottom drive. Now it's accepting my call on the first floor. That's the roof level. And it still thinks it's going up. What is it doing? These things are still messed up. I haven't improved at all. Back up to 7. These are kind of quick though. Forgot that actually B is the lowest floor. Why does it do that? That's so weird. Quick stop to them, these have. These are relay logic. You can't get relays, not relay. Here we are. And watch, it's gonna do the thing where it reopens again. Why is the down button there? What the hell? Apparently that elevator's out of service. Jesus Christ. These things got problems. Kinda see the other one, not really. Anyway. Look, there's the sheaves. Anyway. That'll be it. And that button's just permanently lit. I don't know what the hell. That's weird.